Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back, guys. Alright, so you guys know about my song City of Dogs by Provider, right? Alright, so the instrumental behind that, most of you guys don't know that it was actually created by my brother, right? So me and my brother, we both started this music journey together. Um, while he was learning to play instruments, I was learning my music craft, how to sing and all that. Thank you, Father. I'm grateful to be alive. Woke up this morning and all I could do was smile. That is me. So yeah, the good news is that, guys, he has created a YouTube channel, right? Well, I told him to create one because lately, guys, he told me that he don't wants to create beats anymore, and I'm like, oh, can you not interested in making beats anymore, or even selling beats online, you know what I mean? Because he's saying he's not seeing any profit from it. So I told him, just create a YouTube channel and you know start selling your beats. Yeah, man. So guys, I told him to create a YouTube channel, and that's what he did. So links will be down in the description, so you guys can go there and support his movement. As I mean, if you're a YouTuber, or you're an artist and you need beats for any reason at all, he can make it exclusive for you. Is him very talented like that. Yeah, man. So just go over there to his channel, subscribe, and leave a comment on the latest the instrumental for City of Dogs. All right, give him some motivation and tell him to don't give up on this. As his channel is called Tim Jim Beats. Yeah, man. So I told him also in the future he probably can teach people how to create beats, you know what I mean? Use it as a business. So go over there, guys. Looking forward to see you all. Alright, let's go now.